1 bus. Trilogeran, leg 1. Let's go! Time check, it's 2:10 in the morning and going na sa venue. See you later. Let's go! Mag-start na mag-warm up.
Gentlemen, once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 10th event. I've shared it with you guys just a few minutes ago. Here, our starting point as it's 5,
カト秋崎la la la. Sunala ko sa Petron. Thank you, Lord. Woo! Thank you, Lord. Oh, Tomas Kabili, Barangay Hall. NSC. Wala ka ba lupin na naka-kilometer? Basta wala pa ako kabot ng 5. Welcome to Barangay Suarez, Gate 3. Ay, aborto na gid. May na lang. Larga. Road to 5K. Hey, turning point ata. Tabo! Thank you, Lord. Larga. Man ako 5K. Lap. Nice one. 5K done. Bye kita, Robinson. Ibang energy. Kasukaon kay Kuya. Every day, celebrate you and me. If you wanna see sugar. Wala na sa NSC. Ang araw mas sumas. Magmula na makita ka. Nang po ta sa Tomas nga overpass. Mag 7 km naguro ko. Tara, thanks. Oh. Finally, napitikan na kita. Time check 4 AM after 1 hour. Nakabike ko sa akong Tominobo Petron. Last aid station. Naan namin sa may Tubod. Last pedestrian, last crossing. Dunkin Tubod na. Tubod na gid. Gamay na lang. Basta hindi mag sub 120 ta. May na lang, Lord. Oh. Thank you, Lord. Oh. The Lord, congrats. Ay, thank you, Lord. Thank you. Ano sa susunod? Wala na? Thank you. Amazing. Thank you. Proud.
Naghahanap ng first two more.
And desserts.
Congratulations, our top 13, 5089. If you're here, please.
Yay! Another one. See you sa next run.
All right, so.